Hey everyone, welcome back to Level Up NJ. So today we are solving another problem called majority element. So first let's understand the description. And in this question, we have given an array called nums of size n, and we have to return the majority elements. So the majority elements is the element that appears more than n by 2 times, where n is the length of the array. You may assume that the majority element always exists. So we have to keep in mind that the majority element always exist. Now let's understand the example cases. So here we have an array and as output we got 3. So in this example the 3 appears more than the half of the length. So the output is 3. Now in the same happening with the example 2. So this is a simple problem and so in this video we will try to understand more than two approach to solve this question. So before writing code, let's understand the first simple approach we can do to solve this problem. So the first thing we can do, like we can sort the array and we can return the element which are present on n by 2 length. So this is the simplest approach we can do that. But the time complexity will be to solving with that approach uh, will be like O n log n, which is not asked in this question. So this question is required to solve this problem in linear time complexity and constant space complexity. So we have discussed the first approach to solve this problem. So for that solution, the time complexity will be O n log n. So now let's move to the another approach we can do to solve this problem. So we can use a HashMap to hold the frequency of the element. So for making a creating a HashMap, so it will take uh, extra space, but the question required to solve this constant space. So we can't use HashMap to solve this problem. Here we discuss two solutions of this problem. Like first we can sort the array and we can return the element which is on n by 2 index. And the second thing is we can use a HashMap and store the frequency of the element which appears in the array. So there are the two conditions we can help to solve this problem. Now let's discuss the most effective approach to solve this problem. So it's called Boyer-Moore voting techniques. So with the help of we can solve this problem. So let's understand how it works first. So while solving this problem, we will use two variables. So first, let's code it. Candidate. So here we create two variables. So candidate will hold the element of the array and it will help to check the condition further. And in count, will keep track the appearance of the element. Now we will create a loop. With the help of we will traverse the array and so the first thing. So first we will make a condition if count is equal to 0, then what we're going to do, we will make this candidate will hold the element. Now we will make another condition. uh, so we will press this count if this num candidate then we will add 1. If this is equal to candidate, then we will add 1, otherwise we will minus 1. And so it's accepted, and we have done this question with the help of the technique I've discussed in linear time complexity. And stay tuned and just like this video, subscribe my channel, and comment below what kind of topic and what kind of question you need to discuss on this platform. So let's meet to another session.